Welcome. Today we're going to look at modifications to the LEGO Vintage Steam Train. These mods are relatively simple ones that don't use too many extra parts, so keep watching and check the description for further details. Original engine with sunken firebox dome. Original engine with sunken smoke box door. I added a 2x2 plate under the round tile with stud. This makes the smoke box door a bit more flush as it should be. Added parts to raise firebox to the level of the smoke box. I think this looks more realistic and neater. What do you think? Now we're going to look at modifications to the coal tender. Not shown, but I replaced the grey plates with black ones. Now I'll show step-by-step build of the coal tender. I have the full PDF instructions if anyone would like them. Now the changes to the battery hub to hide it a bit better. What are your thoughts on this mod to the front? Lastly, I modified the passenger car by removing the tables. And adding backrests for the passengers. I've submitted the mock for the coaling stage to Rebrickable if anyone is interested in building it. Check the details in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.